Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, I'll tell you about how Elon Musk is messing with global economy. You are watching Success Wave and now let's get in this video. Elon Musk, the South African-born entrepreneur, recently unveiled his proposals for the Hyperloop, a groundbreaking high-speed transportation system. The technology community has become accustomed to Musk pushing the boundaries. His name is also attached to PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity. At the same time, South Africa is currently considering its own transport future, and many African countries are much farther behind in transport infrastructure. The gap between Hyperloop and the state of infrastructure in the vast majority of developing countries is a demonstration of what economist William Janeway calls the two innovation economies. On one side is the frontier economy, populated by highly skilled engineers pushing the boundaries of technology and investors making highly risky bets on which new fields will take off. On the other side, where most of the world's billions reside, is the follower economy, which is characterized by solving problems that have already been solved elsewhere, but have not been adopted due to institutional or structural reasons. Here, investors often do not make bets on technology risk. They are more worried about political and implementation risk. The frontier economy has unimaginable appeal to the skilled engineers and savvy entrepreneurs. It is sexy to work on the world's most technically difficult problems at the bleeding edge. Top talent in the follower economy has to deal with messier problems like poverty, lack of healthcare, lack of education, and unemployment. Instead of cutting-edge science, they have to spend time worrying about things like politics and economics. Why investors are worried and don't need Elon Musk? Bitcoin's value jumped more than 20% to $38,566 on Friday after Elon Musk, the world's richest man, changed his personal Twitter bio to #Bitcoin, fueling speculation that he had bought more of the cryptocurrency. Less than 24 hours earlier, the billionaire appeared to prompt shares in CD Projekt, which makes the Cyberpunk 2077 computer game, to surge more than 12% after he said via Twitter that a new model of Tesla's Model S Plaid car would allow passengers to play the game. On Tuesday, the Tesla and SpaceX CEO fueled the frenzied surge in GameStop shares when he tweeted "Game stunk" and a link to the Wall Street Bets Reddit thread. The made-up word is a combination of GameStop and stonks, which is a slang term for stocks if you don't know what memes are. There's an odd irony to Elon Musk's ability to move the market while attacking what he sees as unnatural market forces in short selling. Dan Lane, an analyst at British trading app Freetrade, told CNBC. The tweet appeared to help GameStop's valuation to skyrocket to more than $10 billion in after-hours trading and resulted in some amateur trading apps to pause trading. But some people stand to lose a lot of money if GameStop's share price comes down, crashing. Vincent Flood, presenter of the Video Week podcast, which looks at the advertising market, said Musk's tweets can have devastating consequences for retail investors whilst he and his friends enrich themselves at the expense of the little guy. Ex-Googler Rich Pleath, an entrepreneur and tech investor in London, agreed. He is an innovator, but that doesn't mean he's above the law, Pleath said. However, Max Levy, head of business development at online investment management app Nutmeg, said, "This has always happened in capital markets," listing Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio as other influencers on asset prices. "I kinda love Etsy." A few hours after this game stonk tweet, Musk tweeted, "I kinda love Etsy," with shares in the online craft marketplace subsequently soaring by 9%. The New York Stock Exchange also declined to comment, while the tech-focused Nasdaq Stock Exchange and a representative for Musk did not immediately respond to CNBC's request for comment. Musk has faced problems with the SEC for tweeting about Tesla's stock. In August 2018, he said he wanted to take Tesla private at $420 per share and he had secured the funding to do so. Musk and Tesla each had to pay the SEC a $20 million fine to settle the suit. And Musk has since agreed to submit the public statements about Tesla's finances and other topics to vetting by its legal counsel. He infamously tweeted last year that Tesla's stock was too high, sending shares down more than 10% immediately. While Musk's Twitter actions have had a particularly pronounced effect this week, he's been shifting stocks and cryptocurrencies for a while now. Earlier this month, Musk urged his 48.3 million followers to use encrypted messaging app Signal, which is operated by a nonprofit. Keen to back the company, investors rushed to snap up shares in Signal, but many of them accidentally bought shares in a small components producer called Signal Advance, sending its stock up to 1,100%. New regulation? Regulators don't just need to catch up. They need to proactively enforce rules and clarify what is acceptable. Free Trade's Lane said. Lane added, "The reality is that new brand of charismatic leader has a public platform now and it isn't confined to the boardroom. It's up to regulators how they deal with that, but eventually the onus will be on them to update the rulebook." Hussein Kanji, a venture capital investor in London, told CNBC that he trusts the SEC to do its job and keep markets rational and fair. But Elon Musk acting as an ultimate influencer and driving demand in a regulated securities market seems odd, said Kanji. If he was moving volume for a consumer product, I wouldn't raise an eyebrow. Stephen Bartlett, founder of social media agency The Social Chain and a tech investor, told CNBC that the public markets now have influencers like fitness and beauty do. Musk has become the Zoella of public markets and there is no way around it for the SEC, Bartlett said. Closure. The problems Elon Musk is solving are no more important than the problems that need to be solved in the follower economies of the world. Musk is celebrated worldwide, and deservedly so. But what we really need is new Elon Musks for follower economies. That is all for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe. See you till the next video, and thank you for watching.